Refill bottles are officially here. So I'm going to show you how to switch out your refill cartridge from your old bottle. Inside of your shipment, you will find your refill cartridge, a new ring cap, a card with instructions, and a partially unfolded paper clip. Once you do this one time, it's very easy, but have a little patience with your first time. So the first thing you're going to do is take your existing current bottle and you're going to insert the paper clip between this tiny little spout here and the ring cap right here. And then you're going to press up. When you press up, the ring cap will pop off. You can discard this ring cap. Step 2, you're going to find where the spout is and just pull up. This bottle comes out very easily. You can even just do it like this. You're going to discard this used cartridge completely. So what you'll have left is your outer bottle. These are very durable. We expect you to be able to use these indefinitely. And what's cool about that is you save $3 every time you reuse this, and you're saving this from going into a landfill. So saving lots of plastic. These are also pretty heavy weight, so we're also reducing our carbon footprint by shipping lighter shipments each time. Next, you're going to take your refill cartridge and your new ring cap. If you ordered more than one refill product, you can look on the bottom here for which product is in this bottle. So you want to make sure you're matching up your outer bottle with your inner cartridge. When you go to insert this, you just want to make sure that your spout is lining up with this U-shaped cutout. All right, and final step is your ring cap. So if you look on the top of this bottle, there is a wider U-shaped cutout here, and there is a part of your ring cap that dips down as well. So you want to line those two up. And then for this final part, we usually suggest you put it on a flat table to press down, but you basically want to click this into place. Like that. Make sure this is totally flush, and then you can start pumping out your product like usual. Thank you for helping us to save the planet and to save yourself a little bit of money.